Idioms. Yes, idioms. Idioms. That's right, idioms. Yes, idioms. They're a group of phrases. Usually they're very hard to understand in English because they're non-literal. They don't mean what they say. They're a group of phrases that usually don't have anything to do with what the words say. They usually have a story that tells us what the words mean. And if we don't know the story, we can't understand them. That's why they're so difficult. Idioms. Take a look at some of these idioms. Some of the phrases don't have anything to do with their meaning. Look at this one. Think big. That has nothing to do with ambitious plans. Or spill the beans. That has nothing to do with revealing a secret. But there's a story behind each one, and that's where we understand. And unless you know the story, you can't understand the idioms, which is why this is so hard to understand. These take a lot of studying and a lot of practice to know how to use them and to be able to understand them. But they're everywhere because everyone here that speaks English, they already know the stories behind these. That's why it's so hard for anyone learning English to understand idioms. Let's take one of my favorite idioms. It's raining cats and dogs. It means to rain a lot and very heavily. Where does this come from? Well, according to one story, cats and dogs used to cuddle on thatch roofs during storms. Then, when it rained so heavily and so much, the water just slanted away from the roofs and washed the cats and dogs off the roofs. So when people saw the cats and dogs were falling off the roofs, they knew that it was raining very hard.